Ever wonder why some girls glow even without makeup? It's not genetics. It's not luck. It's what they do daily, with stuff hiding in their kitchen. In this video, I'm sharing 7 natural beauty hacks that are simple, secret, and shockingly effective. No filters, no fake promises, just real results from real habits. Stay till the end, because hack number 7 is the one most people ignore, but it's the reason their skin looks unreal. Let's get started. 1. Cold water. Let's start with something super refreshing. Fill a bowl with ice and cold water. Now dip your face in for 10 seconds. Yes, really. It instantly wakes up your skin, shrinks your pores, and gives you that fresh, glowy look. I do this before I film, go to college, or even on days when I feel tired. It's my go-to trick. 2. Soft lip scrub. Now let's talk lips. Mix sugar, honey, and a bit of Vaseline. Gently scrub your lips with it for a minute. This removes dead skin, boosts blood flow, and makes your lips look naturally pink and soft. No need for tinted balms. Your natural lips will pop. 3. Yogurt mask for clear skin. Want smooth, clear skin? Just take plain yogurt and apply it to your face for 15 minutes. Yogurt has lactic acid, which exfoliates gently and brightens your skin. It's soothing, fights acne, and makes your face feel like baby skin. 4. Rose water spray. This one's a favorite. Keep rose water in a spray bottle and use it throughout the day. It refreshes your skin, tightens your pores, and smells amazing. It also helps balance your skin and gives you a natural dewy finish. 5. Lemon water in the morning. Want glowing skin without putting anything on your skin? Drink warm lemon water every morning. It detoxes your body, improves digestion, and makes your skin look clearer over time. I noticed a real difference in just 1 week. 6. Eat fruits for glow. Okay, here's some real talk. Your skin is what you eat. Add fruits like oranges, apples, and pomegranate to your daily snacks. They're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that help repair and protect your skin. Bonus, your nails and hair will thank you too. 7. Sleep plus water. Now the final tip, and honestly the most important. Drink enough water and get 7-8 hours of sleep. No matter how many scrubs or masks you use, if you're tired or dehydrated, your skin will show it. Trust me, this is the real beauty secret. So now you know. You don't need makeup to look pretty. You don't need filters. You just need to take care of yourself, naturally. Try one of these hacks today, and you'll feel the glow from the inside out. Don't forget to like, share, and comment which hack you're going to try first, and subscribe for more glow-up tips every week. You're already beautiful. These hacks just remind you of that.